Hey guys, Cece back with another video. Before we get started, if you have not already joined the family, I don't know what you're waiting on, but go ahead and click that subscribe button and join the family. Once you do that, make sure you click the little bell, the little notification bell, and become a part of the hashtag notification gang. You never want to miss any of my videos, so this will ensure that you don't. I also shout out someone who was a part of the hashtag notification gang, so if you click that little bell, let me know down below in the comment section so I can shout you out. Today's shout out goes to Natalie Corella. Thank you so much for being a part of the hashtag notification gang, and if you want a shout out, then you know what to do. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be a relatively quick one. I have an unboxing of Luxury Scent Box. So I am so excited to be doing this video. This company reached out to me to ask me if I wanted to try one of their scent boxes, so I said yes. I have been wanting to get into more fragrances lately, but I don't know, fragrances just get so expensive, and for me, I don't wear fragrances every single day, so they end up just sitting there. Like, I have my favorites, like you guys know if you've been following me for a while. I love my Gucci Guilty and my Gucci Guilty Black and my Gucci Guilty Intense. I absolutely love those. I love Victor & Rolf Flower Bomb. Who doesn't love those? But they are so expensive. Like, every time I go get that Gucci, I cringe because I'm spending $80 something on a perfume that I don't even wear every day. And so Flower Bomb is even more. It's like $120, and I just cringe when I have to spend that money. So when Luxury Scent Box reached out to me, I said, hell yeah, I'll try it. So let me just explain to you what it is first. Luxury Scent Box is actually a monthly subscription box. So you guys know how that works. You create a profile and you get sent something monthly. I love monthly subscription boxes because they're like a gift that I just wait for every single month. So that's the same with this. It is a $15 a month scent box, and you get a scent of your choice every single month. So I think that's really cool because it comes with about a month's supply of perfume or cologne, because it is for men as well. It comes with about a month's supply in there, so you have just enough for the month, and then you can go ahead and order your next scent the next month. So I really love that about this box. You're not just getting a whole entire big bottle, spending hundreds of dollars and only having one fragrance, but you get to try so many different fragrances. So that is such a good thing about this box. Another good thing about Luxury Scent Box is that they have all of the designer fragrances, like all, like Victor and Rolf, like Dolce and Gabbana, Gucci, Versace, all of the designer fragrances that you can think of, they have them on luxuryscentbox.com. So any fragrance that you think you like, you'll be able to find it on that website, and you can choose one as one of your monthly scents. So how it works is once you go onto their website, basically you create a profile, answer a few questions, and they will have one of their certified scent specialists personally recommend fragrances for you. So you can choose one of those recommendations for the month, or you can go ahead and choose another fragrance of your choice. They do not handicap you with what fragrances you can choose for the month. So this is how my box came. I just have a little collateral in here, and then I have my fragrances. They sent me 2 months worth of fragrances, but you would get one of these in your subscription boxes if you choose to subscribe. So as I'm pulling this out, you see first off it has the cute little colored top. You get this little travel bottle in your first box. So you twist it up like this, and then you see the little sprayer right there, and that's where you spray. You guys see that? So that's where your perfume comes out of. Ooh. Ooh, that smells so good. That smells so good. I don't even know which one this is. So you pull the bottle out like this, and that is the product that you get. So that is a good amount of product. That is 9 milliliters of product. So very nice amount of product. I feel like I could use this for a while. And this fragrance is called Happy Moments by Taos. I don't really know how to say that. I'll put the name on the screen. But that's what this fragrance is, and it smells, oh my god, it smells so good. I'm going to read you guys the notes. So this fragrance was made in Spain, and it has notes of clementine, fresh pineapple, ivy, daisies, jasmine, popcorn, blue orchid, golden musk, cedarwood, and white chocolate. So this smells so amazing. And you can use this for an everyday scent as well. So I would definitely check this one out. But I just love this little bottle, how you twist it. And it's so easy to take out and put back in. So easy. You can throw this right in your purse and take it with you on the go. The next fragrance that I have here is called Notes of Pinot Grigio. And I'm sorry guys, I'm reading. But this is by Kelly & Jones. And this scent has notes of yuzu, grapefruit, starfruit, green apple, and Camillia, which is actually my real name. I love that. So I know this fragrance is going to be bomb, okay? Ooh. That one is more of a, like a fruity, which obviously it has a lot of fruits in it. That one is a fruity, more of a fruity scent. I think I like the Happy Moments a little better, even though that one has Camillia in it. I think I like the Happy Moments better because that's more of an everyday scent, more of a musky scent, and that's what I go for. But the Notes of Pinot, like I said, is more of a fruity scent, which makes sense because Pinot Grigio is a wine. So if you like fruity scents, you will love this because it is very, very fruity. But again, you get the same little bottle that you twist up, you pull out. Very simple, very easy. So if you guys are interested in luxury scent box, I will leave the link down below along with the coupon code for you to save a little coin. It's $15 a month. You can cancel at any time. No contracts, no commitment. It's easy to cancel also, which is a good thing. So if you ever feel like you have too many fragrances, you can just go on and cancel on the website. Very simple to do, which is such a huge thing in my book because companies sometimes make it very, very easy for you to stop these subscription boxes. So this company is really hassle free, and if you're into fragrances, I think this would be amazing for you. So that is all for this video. Again, if you guys decide to use Luxury Scent Box, don't forget to use my coupon code to save you $5 off of your first month's box. Again, don't forget to comment, give this video a like, thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and also my Facebook fan page. Those are the best ways to keep up with me in between uploads. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.